Hey guys, Jim from Measure Square here. In this video, we're going to cover our widget panel that will include our doors, room templates, cutout templates, and stair templates. To apply these, all we have to do is drag them from the panel into the desired location. As you can see, I already have a few rooms drawn, so I'm going to apply a couple doors. So I'm just going to put my finger on one of the doors, let's say the common door, drag it on over. Once I get near a wall, it will already snap into place to go in the correct direction. Once I just let go, it'll be applied into place. We'll have a pop-up menu that we can always turn off, but with this menu you can edit the details of that door, such as the width and the type. I'm going to grab a no-leaf door so we can see the difference. Drag this into a different location. Same idea. I can edit these details if I choose so. The types of doors we use are for aesthetic purposes. The type will not make a difference with our estimation. If I move over to the room, we have some templates saved here that are automatically in your database here, but you can also save your own to these locations. Same idea, drag and drop onto the screen. As I let go, it'll be put in place. If I go to cutout, these are great if you need to remove area from the net of a room, such as for a cabinet, or a tub, or a sink. Again, we have some pre-populated, but you can always save your own. I can just drag and drop one of these into the room. We'll even have those markers to snap it into corners. Same idea with that pop-up, we can always turn this off or edit some of the details. We go into stairs, rinse and repeat. Grab a stair, drag it on over, and once I let go, we'll have some of the details that we can edit for the stairs, such as a riser in the tread, number of steps, the width of the stairs themselves, and even the covering style. Now if we want to save any of these as templates of our own after we've customized them, simply tap on the object, tap on the eye icon, scroll down to miscellaneous, and you'll see the options to say save as template. And then you can easily drag and drop this in the future, even on a different project. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.